Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So firstly, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe this. And in today's video, we will firstly check the VPN not working in Windows 10 and 11, and then we will fix it. So firstly, we have to move on step one on device manager. So you have to type device manager in search bar, and here you go in control panel. You have to just click on it, and in device manager in control panel you have to find out the network adapter. So here it is, network adapter. So you have to drop it down, and you will find this WAN mini port. You have to uninstall these three. First one is WAN mini port. You have to just right click on it and click on uninstall device, and you have to uninstall this one as well, IPv6. Right click on it and uninstall this, and then you have to uninstall PPTP. So you have to just right click on it and uninstall this device. So you have to basically three uninstall device: first one, second one, and the third one. After uninstalling this, you have to click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. So it will refresh all these devices and it will be come back with scanned. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so we have to move on step two for those who have not fixed this issue. So in step two, you have to just right click on your desktop and go to new, and then you have to click on shortcut. In shortcut, you have to just type the query that I have mentioned here. I will also add this in YouTube video description, so you have just copy it from there as well. So you have to type this here and click on next, and you have to name of this shortcut add. So I will add this shortcut name is simple VPN. You can add if you want anyone, so you can add as you wish. So click on finish, and when you click it, it will show the phone book is empty. To add an entry, click OK. So you have to add an entry here. So when you click it, you will get three options, and you have to go on workplace network because it included VPN. So you have to click on here, and here you have to just type internet address where you want to go. Simple as this. You have to just enter URL and IP address as well if you want to go there. So you have to just paste it here and then click here, create. Let's just a second. I will add anything I want. I will add this URL, Facebook form. So you have to just copy it here and click paste it, and then you have to create it. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed and your VPN connection is connected. So if you like my video, so kindly like it and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.